Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, as you can see, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Flex Company discs and menstrual cups. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and let's get right into the video. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys seen that I did a video about menstrual cups before. I personally do not like to use tampons because I get scared with the toxic shock syndrome and all of that entails. And I'm very just like particular about my menstrual cycle because I want to be comfortable. It's already something I have to go through, so I want to be comfortable. So this video is mainly for the ladies in your lives. If you're a gentleman watching this, then please direct all the ladies in your lives to this video because I just found something that's even better than menstrual cups, although I did review a menstrual cup as well. So the Flex Company actually sent me 2 menstrual cups, and it comes in this box right here. I did not open this one. This one is the slim fit. So I got the slim fit and then the full fit, and I used the full fit, so it's already in its little bag right here. So I'm gonna open this one with you guys because I feel a little weird about opening one that I've already used for whatever reason. But anyways, I'm first gonna go through their menstrual cup and then I'm gonna go to the discs because the discs is my personal favorite. So anyways, they are also more known for their discs, so I just want to talk about the menstrual cups first and foremost. So this is what it looks like. So it comes in this nice box, and then it says ultimate comfort, velvety soft form-fitting material for a perfect fit. That is something I can definitely attest to. All the menstrual cups that I've had in the past are really like thick, like it's like a thick silicone kind of material, like it's very like thick. This cup I realized is like easily like as I said, it could fit perfectly, and it's like a thin material, so you're able to maneuver it a little bit better. It's less mess. The only cup with a pull tab that breaks the seal for you, allowing for controlled removal. That's another thing I can attest to. So this part right here, which I'm gonna take the cup out and show you, that part right here actually allows you to pull, and it's gonna bend the cup when you're taking it out. So it comes like this. And then obviously you take this out. So what I like about this is the pull tab. So you could just hook your finger in there and then it starts to actually bend the cup. So as you can see, it breaks the seal for you, because if you are familiar with menstrual cups, it creates like a seal where it's gonna just like suction in there, and then this allows you to break it, and it's more comfortable for you to do that rather than going in there and like pinching the ends of it and grabbing it. So I do like this particular part of the menstrual cup. I think that is a really dope design, and it is also again very comfortable because I don't know if you guys can see, it's I don't know if you can tell on camera how much more like thinner the material on this cup is as opposed to other menstrual cups. So I did really like it. I also like that it's black. That's like besides the point, but I also like that it's black because it's something about sometimes seeing the mess that kind of makes you feel uncomfortable, at least for me. So I like that as well about it. It is reusable, it lasts for years, all day wear, 12 hours of leak-proof protection you can rely on, safe 100% medical grade silicone, naturally non-toxic and odor-free, won't disrupt your body's natural pH. So the slim fit is up to light to medium flows and is up to 2 tampons, and then a full fit is for heavier flows, which is up to 3 tampons, which is the one that I have to use. So anyway, I just really wanted to mention their menstrual cups because I think their menstrual cups are designed really, really nicely, and again, I love that it's black, and again, that's besides the point. But I really do like the design of it and the easy part of actually like pulling it out, because sometimes that kind of becomes my issue when it comes to using menstrual cups, is that it's too messy pulling it out. And this one, although it's a menstrual cup, honestly it works just like every other menstrual cup. So the 12-hour protection and stuff like that always depends on your flow. In my personal opinion, I like to change it every couple of hours, but then that's just me, especially on the days that I have like a heavier flow. But again, that's just me. It works like any other menstrual cup, except for I will say that it's easier, and also you don't feel it. Like sometimes with the other menstrual cups, you kind of feel it when it's in there. This one, you don't necessarily feel it, but you do kind of feel that little tip part sometimes. But I really, really did enjoy using this menstrual cup. Okay, now for the real deal, okay? We're gonna be talking about their flex discs, which is what they're really known for. So they sent me a box of flex discs. You guys, I've been seeing this in Rite Aid or any drugstore that I've ever been to. I've been seeing this, and I've seen someone on YouTube speak about these before, and I was like, I want to try these because I like menstrual cups, and these just seem so much easier. And I was right. So basically, I got a box of a bunch of them. I've been using them. Also, when you do purchase the Flex menstrual cup, you do get 2 discs to try, which is awesome. So let's talk about this design. Okay, I don't want to open it because I don't want to waste one. I already had to do that for a photo, and I don't want to open another one to waste one because these are golden. Okay, so basically, I'm going to give you some information about this. The 1 disc is up to 3 super tampons, which is bomb for somebody like me who has really heavy cycles. It is also unlike any other period products that sit in the vaginal canal. Flex disc sits in the vaginal fornix. Plus, flex disc collects fluid rather than absorbing it like a tampon. So it's kind of like, in that sense, it's kind of like a menstrual cup in my, obviously, because it's like, it's not absorbing it, it's dropping into it. This actually sits in the widest. Also, if you guys didn't know, this video is a little bit TMI, so if you're uncomfortable, get out of it, whatever, blah blah. So anyways, it sits in the widest part of your vagina, so it's going to just carry, like, it's gonna just hold everything there. So I'm gonna tell you guys some of the key points that actually like sold me. Up to 12-hour wear during sleep, exercise, swimming, and more. Again, in my personal opinion, I feel like that just varies because some of us have heavier cycles than the other person, but it does last for a long time. It does, and there's absolutely no leakage. I didn't have any leakage with this, I don't think. There's a little bit of a learning curve on how to really push it in there, I feel like. But that's just kind of like with everything, especially when you're new to something. There's a little bit of a learning curve, and then how to like take it out without making a mess. A little bit, just a tad bit of a learning curve. I would say that it's easier to get this than it is to get the menstrual cups, because it's like a 1-2 kind of deal. Like when it comes to the menstrual cups, you kind of gotta, you know, you have to like fold it and make sure it's like get in there, but this is much easier than that. You just fold it and push it in, rather than having to do any other crazy techniques. So that, there's also the biggest plus that I think for the flex discs is that you can have mess-free period sex because your vaginal canal is free from obstruction. So this is like the first thing I think that is created that you're able to have sex while on your cycle, because you can't do that with tampons. You can do that with pads, but that's your personal whatever. And then you can't do that with the menstrual cup because your menstrual cup is literally like right in your vaginal canal. So the fact that you can do that with the flex and there's gonna be like no mess is a plus from the flex disc. So that's one of the things that I think markets this to the top, because it takes it to the top, because obviously if it's mess free, it's golden. Like there's nothing else like this on the market, like anywhere. It also reduces cramps in up to 60% of users because it doesn't apply pressure to the vaginal wall. Now, you guys, I have really bad menstrual cramps because of whatever reason. I can attest to it reducing my cramps, because when I put it in, I was really confused. Like, did my cramps just like diminish a little bit? I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say that my cramps just went away. I don't think they went away, but it did help. And it didn't, like, sometimes when I put the cup in, and I've been having a little bit of trouble with menstrual cups anyway, so that's why I enjoyed the disc more this cycle anyway. But the menstrual cup sometimes creates more pain for me, and it's actually been making me feel a little bit more bloated when I use menstrual cups. So the flex disc actually did the absolute opposite. It just made for some reason, it relaxed my muscles down there, where it made me feel a lot less tense and a lot less crampy. You know what I mean? So I really do, I think I want to use it some more to really like see, but I can attest that it did make me feel a lot more comfortable. And it's also, most importantly, not linked to TSS and made from 100% medical grade polyamers. polymers. I said polyamers. Polymers. So that is a big plus for me because using tampons and stuff, I like to use, if I do use tampons, I'll use like organic tampons to not get any kind of like toxic shock, to lessen the degree of the toxic shock syndrome or just not get it at all. And the fact that menstrual cups and flex disc can actually just not even have you worry about that at all. There's a lot you have to worry about when you're on your menstrual cycle already. Now, whatever you can use to make yourself have a better menstrual cycle is just worth it. I think that the flex disc is definitely going to be my new form of period care for sure. It's easier to use than a menstrual cup, and another thing, it is also disposable, so it's not like you have to like, you know, the one thing that I think people have a problem when using the menstrual cup is that you have to actually like clean it out and then put it back in, and sometimes, especially in public, the sinks are outside of the stalls, and that's kind of like nearly impossible. So the flex disc, you take it out, you dump it, and then you're able to dispose of the flex disc and put in a new one if you need to do that. So it's a lot easier and it's a lot more convenient, I feel like, than the menstrual cup. So the flex disc has me sold, you guys. It is my new form, and I'm actually going to be using it a lot more than my menstrual cup. And if you go on their site, they actually have like the whole demonstration of how you can use it, how you use the actual flex disc. There's a bunch of videos and stuff that help you understand the learning curve, and it's best to practice a little bit before you get your cycle in order to get it all together. But for me, I'm sold. The flex disc is my favorite thing right now as far as period care, and I just really want to thank the Flex company for working with me and sponsoring this video and for sending me your products to use, because for me, for somebody who struggles with their menstrual cycle like every month since I've started getting it, it really does help, and it really has made my period a lot smoother. So thank you, Flex company, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned some new things, because I think a lot of people don't know about this, and this product is bomb because there's nothing like it on the market. I can promise you that there's nothing like the flex disc on the market, and their cups are different as well. So all of their information will be in the description box down below, so check them out, and I hope you have a happy period, and let's just be happy, even though it's a tough time. Let's just be happy and comfortable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.